Welcome to another Portal tutorial. The good news is we've finished all the Portal tutorials as they relate to daycares. The final 4 videos that we're going to be doing are just going to be explaining some of the maintenance and logistics. The first thing that we're going to be starting off is by explaining the different subscription plans. And this includes an explanation about what subscription plan you get when you initially sign up and the different plans that are available. And then in the next video, we're going to explain about how you manage your subscription, both the payments, the billing, cancellations, and change of plans as well. Let's get started with subscription plans. I'm going to click the Lucy logo right here, and you can see that on this account, I have 2 organizations. Since it's a demo account, I have an organization that is fully filled in, and then I have a second one that is completely empty. I'm going to open both in separate tabs. This is the first one. The thing I want you to note on this one is the right-hand side card, where it says Current Plan. This one has the Daycare franchise plan. We also have 2 buttons to explore the plans and the subscription settings. On the left-hand side, we have the organization navigation, and we have a settings button right here at the bottom. If I click this button, you see that we get 3 tabs right here for sub-pages of settings. We have the main settings page with the exact same card, and then we have the subscriptions page. The subscriptions page is going to show you the plan that we're currently on. It's going to give you a button that takes you to explore all the different plans, and it's going to show you the historical record of all the different subscriptions and plans that you've subscribed to. It's going to show you payment methods if you completed any payments, invoices, and refunds as well. I can also click on the plan directly, and I can see all of the benefits that this specific plan is giving me. We're going to switch over to the second account now and look at the same thing. This second organization is basically one that I just created. It has nothing on it right now because I just created it before the video started. If we look on the right hand side where we have the subscription plan as well, you see I have the plan called Founder in comparison with this other one that is called Daycare Franchise. The Founder is the free plan that everyone gets when they initially sign up. And in a similar fashion, we have the same 2 other buttons, Explore Plans and Subscription Settings. I can click here as well and arrive directly in the subscription settings page. If we scroll down, you see in all the subscriptions that you have, you're currently on the Founder plan, which is free, and it's active to the present day. Let's click Explore Plans now. This takes you to the landing page within Portal that explains to you all the different plans that we have. I strongly recommend that you go through this on your own and read everything that we have to offer. But let's go through it together so you get a sneak peek. This tells you some of the features, and I'm going to scroll down directly to see the different plans that we offer. As you can see on the left-hand side, our current plan is the free plan, which is called Founder. It includes unlimited daycares, 3 photos per gallery, 1 GB of storage, and email support. The next plan on the list is the Daycare. Then we have Daycare Plus, Daycare Premium, and if you happen to have multiple daycares, we even have a final plan called Daycare Franchise. When you sign up initially for Lucy as a daycare, we want you to have the ability to do everything. So we treat your account as if you're on the highest plan, which is Daycare Franchise. You have the ability to add unlimited photos, you can add custom amenities, you can add whatever you want to your profile, and within the preview pages, that's where you get to see the difference. If we scroll down a little bit, we can see about all the different benefits of how the different plans compare. And then we can also click right here, which says full list of features, and we can compare feature by feature all of the different things that each of the plans offer. For example, where the plans really differ is what is displayed specifically on their profiles. In this example right here, you see that we have a section called Related Daycare Profiles, and this one is only offered on the higher tiers. The number of photos per gallery also changes based on the plan that you have, and which specific galleries you get on each individual profile also differs. The daycare is always included for free. It always includes that header gallery, but it won't include that body gallery until the higher plans as well. So I strongly recommend you go feature by feature and you really compare the plans to make sure you make the right decision for yourself. We also have other pages. We have the compare page that allows you to compare the different plans in different ways. And we have a price sheet, which again is a full comparison of how much you would be paying for each plan on a monthly basis, on a quarterly basis, and on an annual basis as well. I'm going to show you how we would subscribe to one of the plans. So here we are on a separate account. This account is an organization called ABC Montessori. We're on the Founder plan as well. I'm going to click Explore Plans, go directly to Compare Plans, And I'm going to be selecting this one, which is the Daycare Plus. I'm going to be selecting a monthly plan for now, and I'm going to click Checkout. And then we get to the Stripe page. The Stripe page is where we do the final payment. So I'm going to be paying with Stripe. And there you go. As soon as I've made my payment, we'll get the confirmation, and it's going to activate my account under the new plan. Once that's done, I can click back to app. It takes us back to the home page, and you can see my new plan has been activated. So it's that simple. If you have any questions about the plans, you can reach out to us directly. You can text us. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, whatever's easier for you. Thanks so much for watching.